Good morning. This is day 16. So I've been trying to wake up from 6 a.m. I really couldn't even think of getting off the bed. It's that cold. I could see it's too misty out there. Oh my god. I have to make sure I cover contents, do not miss some views. So I have to sacrifice my sleep, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna show you the view. I could see from here. I'll show you. Look like what I don't remember if I showed you guys a view of this place yesterday. But anyhow, if yes or no, still, it's cold. It became cold as soon as I came close. So that's the Gregory Lake. Oh, do you hear the sound of that wind? I don't know if the speaker is detecting it. It's so cold. It's so misty. So this is my morning. It's so fresh. I could see like how fresh my face is, but still it's freezing cold. I really need to like close the shutter. There is also a small challenge I've got. Not a small challenge, a huge challenge. So from tonight onwards, there's gonna be a night curfew. From 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. there's gonna be curfew till further notice. But I really do not know when would they like totally lock down the country. So I'm a little bit afraid because that's 15 more days. So I'm finding it a little bit tiring, and also when it's cold it makes you so lazy. I'm taking up of a whole huge challenge to do this. Anyhow, what I'm trying to do now is that I'm trying to cover at least 2 destinations in one day. It's not easy, as I say. Riding, filming, making doing activities, like either if it is a hike or doing something, whatever it is, it takes your energy, right? So I don't know how practical is it, but I'm gonna try. Because today I'm gonna go to cover Dunhinda, and then go to Ella. And you should, because I'm actually enjoying this moment so much. Having a cup of coffee with the view of the Lake Gregory, having those mist covering the mountains. Man, that's amazing. I already packed my stuff and I kept the bag in the hot air. Having my cup of coffee with the Gregory Lake leaf. How cool is that now? So now I'm gonna take you guys on a tour around the place that I'm staying in. So this is the bungalow that I'm staying in, and this place is called as Gregory. Gregory's bungalow. I'm freezing to death, man. I'm like literally freezing to death, and I don't care. I want to experience it the best way that I can. That's about it. And now I am gonna pack my bags, go have breakfast, get the seal from the post office. And also I need to buy a hard disk. Yeah, I need 1 TB at least. So I'm gonna get a 1 TB hard disk. So one of my followers in Instagram just had message like if I come to Nuwara Eliya to let him know, and then I was having a chat yesterday. He's a very nice guy. I asked him if he knows any place that sells hard disks, and he sent me a number. I spoke to this guy, and the guy sent me the location, so I need to go and buy a hard disk. So thank you, buddy. So guys, I just started the bike. I'm letting it be like that for a while because the engine has got a little bit cold, and when I start and race, after a while the bike stops. That happens because this is a very cold weather, and indeed you know how cold it was.
It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any.
Guys, I just got my seal from the Nuwara Eliya post office, and apparently it is 11:15 and I'm about to leave to Badulla. And at the same time I got a hard disk. I'll show you the hard disk later. And this is Nishad. So Nishad just dropped by to say hi to me from Nuwara Eliya, and he also helped me out to get the hard disk from a place called Promax. I'll drop you much more details in the description, and that's about it. It's time for me to leave Nuwara Eliya. This is like the 10th time I guess I'm pumping for.
My words are true. I've waited a million years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be.
Guys, it is 12:40 and we are leaving Nuwara Eliya. We are heading to Badulla now. So from Nuwara Eliya there's a road which directly goes to Badulla, so I'm in the Nuwara Eliya Badulla route now.
We're not playing any games. I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited a million years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so honest.
I'm a sucker for corn, man. And also especially I stopped. One thing I wanted to have corn, and also because I wanted to have it with a wave. Even Rocco wanted a wrist. So I'm at a point in between Nuwara Eliya and Badulla. This is a nice place. I'm feeling so calm. Usually I'm very hyped up and I get so excited with the view. So this is another way of experiencing beauty, where I go calm, just relaxed, don't talk much, just keep driving, keep looking at the beautiful sceneries. That's how it is today. It's really beautiful. Okay, I'm done resting. I'm gonna go. Yeah. It's too noisy. It says Post Office Road. How easy was that for me to take that turn with a peace of mind, knowing that yes, this is the post office. Guys, I came to the Badulla post office, and apparently I couldn't get a seal because they were reluctant to give the seal. When I asked them, they were telling some reasons. So anyhow, guys, I came with my this thing, but they couldn't. And this is the Badulla post office. So this is evident that I came here. And today the date is Monday, 16th August. Guys, I'm kind of lost. I'm trying to figure out how to get to the waterfalls, and Google Maps is showing like way too many different routes.
It all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be. It's hard to be this real.
Guys, so I am in Dunhinda Falls, as I showed you like how I got here, and apparently just probably say this is the place where you need to like enter. Anyhow, like this place is closed and they are not letting anyone go because of COVID. And Badulla is having one of the, I think I just got to know about this from my mom. She told me either one, they're having many cases, or second thing, they're having the main cases of Delta variant of COVID. So due to such incidents, I think that is why it's a little bit strict here, and I'm unable to go. But I just asked a person like a local over here, how does this hike work, and few details. So for you to know, if you come to Dunhinda Falls, just know that it will take you 1.5 kilometers to get to the waterfall. And apart from that, guys, it is not a very big hike. Same, they told me like you have to, I mean basically it's not a hike when you go, so you have to descend, you have to go down, and then when you come back only you have to walk upwards. And also they told me it's not a tough hike, it's just like slantly descending and ascending. So that's about this place. Anyhow, like I was so unfortunate that I cannot go and like check this out. You could see, right, it's like all empty, and these vehicles what you see is of these locals who live here. Guys, the time is 3:40 and I'm leaving Badulla and I'm heading to Ella. Let's see how long is it going to take for me to reach Ella. We are entering Ella and it is 4:20. Look at these mountains, guys. Amazing, right? I have something. I was so freaking hungry. Thank God. Thank God. I've last time when I came here with my family, I had some shorties and stuff over here. Kita tino dapat. Kita tino dapat. Guys, guess what? I finally found a room and it goes as Ella Deck Resort. So the thing is, I've got to go up and then like I need to make sure I like keep my bike safe because this is the parking spot, and you've got the mountain view, and that's like crazy. One good thing about this is you've got a really good view, but the downside of it is you've got to go all the way up with all these bags. But anyhow, I'm alright with it because I've got a good view. Let me take you on a room tour. So this is my room. Ouch, the door knocked on me. Okay, so this is the room that I'm having in Ella, and apparently this place is somewhere in between I don't know where exactly, but from the town I had to come at least about for like 10 minutes. And it's crazy nice, man, the view. And it's raining. So what you see over there is the Little Adams Peak. So you have the view of that. And I don't know if it is visible from here. Yes, it is. Okay, so what you see over there, wait, let me open this. So what you see over there is the Ella Rock. How cool is that? And there's a pool. Amazing view, right? So the good thing about this hotel's location is that this hotel is situated in a proper spot where you could see both the Ella Rock and yeah, I need to show myself in the mirror always. And I don't know how the washroom looks. I didn't even check. I was so tired. I'm like, dude, just get me the room. Oh, did I lock it? Oh shoot. Why isn't this opening? Oh shoot. That was too hard. Oh, it's a pretty decent washroom. I didn't expect it to be at least this good. Like for real. Yeah. It's a tiny little room, but then it's worth it because you know why? They charge just 2,500 rupees for me. Oh, it's raining heavily, guys.